Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox Canon M50 mirrorless camera. Recently I have purchased this from Amazon and I got it for 50,000 rupees. And this camera I especially purchased for vlogging purpose, and also if there are any events or if I want to plan any trip or any other things, if I visit any places or if I go anywhere, so this will be helpful to capture all the memories and moments. And also this will be really helpful internally, like if there are any functions at our home, or if you want to capture any pictures which are with a great clarity. And also it is mostly this is best for videos, and it can capture 4K videos also with a good quality. So anyways, for every family person, I hope this will be a best and good option. Like every family should have one digital camera so that they can capture all the memories for their entire life, and they can store it in their laptops or in hard disks. So that will be very good. So that's the reason I have purchased it. And let's unbox it. We got a bag here. So this bag is to hold the camera, and also camera accessories we can hold completely in this bag. The bag quality is premium. We got a clip for that, and also we got like yeah in the box, sorry, in the bag, we have good space to put the camera and the lenses inside that. And side we have a zip. Inside that we have some sections. So we got some slip here. Maybe it's related to bag, how to use, and what are the things we have in this. So manufacturer details and steps, everything they have mentioned on that. So let's keep it aside. And inside the bag we have some sections, so we can put memory cards, any sensitive small items, sensitive items, we can put them in that sections. And yeah, overall the bag is really great, with a with a great quality, I can say. So we can use this bag for camera. Now let's get into the camera box. This camera is a best beginner camera, I can say. It's not advanced, best budget beginner camera for vloggers under 50,000 budget. And also they have provided 2 years warranty for this. And the box, you can see on the box all the details. And see, you can see there 1+1 2 years warranty we have, extended warranty. We can also get extended warranty if you want. And EOS M50 branding, and also we have seal. So let's get started. Let's open it up and let's check what we are going to see inside the box. My wife is struggling to open it. Okay, finally she made it. And let's see. Okay, after opening the box, you can see there is a manual, camera manual, I guess. Yeah, user manual we have for Canon M50. For the, I think mostly this is for beginners, but nowadays most of the people are not following all these manuals. Simply they will go to YouTube and they will search and they will try to learn. Most of the people are learning from YouTube only. So just for formality they have given. And coming to memory card, they are providing 16 GB memory card, which is class 10 and 45 Mbps speed. And this will not be enough, guys. Only for capturing photos this will be good, but for capturing videos in 4K and all, this is not even this will not help. 16 GB is very less. Even nowadays no one is using, in mobiles also it's like RAMs are like 16 GB, but space, that is very less. And we got a manual kind of thing here. So here we have a few things. It's kind of a few paperwork. And digital Trinity, I think this is a course, free course, I guess. So they have provided all this. Apart from that, we got a camera holder, like it's a tag, like camera tag. We can hold camera with this tag. They are also provided the Canon branding over the tag. Yeah, this looks very premium. Camera can be easily hold, and that too, this is a mirrorless camera. This will weight very less compared to mirror cameras. They will weight more, but these cameras will weight less, and this will be very for tags will be very helpful while capturing the photos and all. And this comes the lens box. So inside that we got a lens. This is a lens, stock lens, I can say, 15 to 45 mm lens. This is a stock lens, and if you want to capture wide angle, or if you want to capture portrait, this will be not that great. This will be not that great helpful. If you want to capture wide angle shots, or wide angle or wide angle videos, you have to zoom videos or any other kind of videos, you have to go for different lenses. And for portrait, the lenses will be different. And inside the box also we got a battery. So this battery is like, one battery will be packed inside the box. So for camera, this is a Canon battery pack, and I think this is a 1975 mAh or 1025 mAh kind of thing, but this will come around 2.5 hours to 3 hours it will give. And this is a battery charging case. So here we need to place inside this we need to place the battery, and also there will be a cable for this. And yeah, this is the socket of cable. You have to charge the battery using this. So here comes the cable. With this cable we need to put it to that dock, and we need to charge the battery. But my suggestion is not to have single battery. So if you are purchasing the camera, better to have extra battery. That will be helpful if you're capturing any moments, or if you're traveling somewhere. And if it is more than, nowadays people not even like capturing 1 or 2 hours. They are taking more than 3 hours, 4 hours. Sometimes it will be you require battery sometimes. So better suggestion is to get one more extra battery here. And look at the camera, guys, it's looking great. And you can see here mic section we have, and holders there, tag holders you can see, and Canon branding and lens cap. If you open that, you can see the camera mirror, like a sensor, I can say, image processing sensor, I can say. On the top you can see a cap is there. And settings we have, video settings, portrait, AV, TV, all the settings. And you can see the video button, capture button, and viewfinder you can see here. This is helpful for tagging to the tripod. You can see the image processing sensor, HDMI slots we have, HDMI another slot, I don't know what is that slot. And this is to add your battery and memory card here. Already they have provided 16 GB, and also battery they have provided. You have to place it there. And also coming to the screen, guys, you can flip it. Anti-glare display, I guess, you can flip it. Yeah, you can also use like that. And that is a touch screen. And let's try to place the lenses. So there is a dot, white color dot, and for the body also you can see the white color dot. Both white color dots should match. So you can see there both white colors are matching. Just click it and just rotate it. You will get a sound. It will get dock. If you get that sound, it is completely docked, that means. And in the front you can see the cap of the lens. You can also increase and decrease lenses. Depends on your camera, like depends on your shots. If you want to do close-up shots, you can zoom in. If you want to take straightforward shots, you can take like that. And let's place the memory card inside it. 16 GB memory card. This will be helpful only for few photos, but for videos this is not helpful. And let's place the battery as well inside that. Okay, we have placed memory card and also battery inside the camera. Now let's try to open, but I think there is no battery. We need to charge the battery, guys. No, we didn't they didn't provide anything inside the battery. It is not completely charged and no charging in the battery, so we need to put the charging. But now we are not going to do that, but just I will show you how to charge the battery. You need to make like this. You need to dock like this. So after that you need to plug it into the board. It will get charged. Once the charging is done, it will intimate in the green color. And this is the extra battery, guys. I purchased extra battery. Why? Because I already told you one battery is not enough. If you are going for vlogs, for if you try to record 4K videos, it will be not enough. So better to have extra battery. This will help in some situations. So that is the reason I have purchased extra battery. And this battery is like from Digitech. It's a good battery, and also I have saw good reviews on this. So both the batteries are doing great till now. And also, guys, I already told 16 GB is not enough, so I purchased 128 GB memory card to record 4K videos and other kind of stuff. So here it is showing 6,700 rupees, but in the offer I got it for 3,000 rupees. So let's open this. After opening that, so inside the box you can see the memory card. Yeah, so this is 128 GB class 10 memory card, the speed of 170 MB per second, and they have provided 2 years subscription, and also some benefits also is there for this memory card. So let's open it up and let's try to install it in the camera. Also I need to put the charging, and also I'll show you how the memory card looks like. It's like same like 16 GB, but only difference is the memory. It's 128 GB. Yeah, 120 GB. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you all in the next video. Bye.